Bawat problema at desisyon ni May itinatawag niya sa itaas. Yun nga lang, hindi niya naisama sa panalangin na huwag siyang matulad sa kanyang ina, ang maging isang single mother.
Hindi siya yung parang brand na isusuot mo lang, I'm a single mom, so I'm an empowered lady. No. It takes so much for you to be a single mom. Hindi biro ang mag-isa ka lang. Raising kids.
Sinubukan niyang maging OFW minsan para mas malaki ang kita, pero bigo si May. Hindi ito para sa kanya.
I tried Singapore for a month. Start my life again after the separation. But then it didn't work for me. Doon ako naniwala na if it's not meant for you, hindi talaga siya mangyayari. No matter how you try. Time will always tell its own story. There would always be plans for you. Since sometimes rejection is a redirection, you do not force things. You can never force things. You just have to trust the process. Sometimes you don't know where you're going. And of course, like any other thing, you always earn it. It doesn't come automatically and just fall right on your lap. Everything has to be earned. Every day is a new day to be better. And always forgive yourself. No one is perfect anyway. You make mistakes, you get up, you try again. Ako, I've made a lot of mistakes. Gazillion. Name it. But then, wala buhay yan Ganyan ang buhay. Kagaya sa kape. Minsan, iba ang timpla. Matapang, matamis, creamy. But at the end of the day, makakamit at makakamit mo ang tamang timpla mo sa kape.
Tuluyan na bang susuko si May sa labang ito sa kanyang buhay? O may gigising sa natutulog niyang pagkatao bilang palaban na waray? Kape nga ba ang sagot sa kanyang mga pangarap na gustong maabot? Ang pagpapatuloy ng usapang kape at tagumpay ni May sa pagbabalik ng Rated Corina.